Welcome back, everybody. Hanna, could you please give us a more thorough session about life cycle management?
I sure can. It's a quite complex process. However, to improve efficiency in drug development, to draw reliable conclusions, and to trust our data and methods, we think it's needed. As we talked about last time, life cycle management might look different depending on the intended use of the data. But in general perspective for ligand binding assays, we have 5 categories: design and development, production, quality control, stability studies, and corrective and preventive actions.
Great. So this time, could you take us through the design and development step?
Yes, design and development might not appear as rocket science, but it's crucial to ensure that a method gives us reliable and reproducible results over time with minimal lot-to-lot variability.
So how do we achieve that?
I would say that we need to start with having reliable reagents. We have categorized our raw material into 3 categories. The first one, antibodies and antigen. Then we have proteins and lipids, microtubule, and the last one would be list items like salts and enzyme inhibitors. A company like Mercodia, qualified according to ISO 13485, need to ensure the vendors have a quality system in place. By doing this work early on in the process, we do not only establish the method and acceptance criteria for raw material, but we can also help us to choose the most suited antibodies to be able to tailor assay performance.
I read a publication where I understood that calibration is also of high importance. What's your take on this?
I totally agree, and in contrast to PK assays where we have a well-defined calibrated material since it's our drug, for biomarker assays we need to study stability, reactivity, purity, and concentration, and traceable to an international reference preparation if available.
Okay, now we have discussed the critical raw materials. What more do we need to keep in mind to design a reliable assay?
That is, of course, a lot of things, but I would say that we need to optimize coding and conjugation procedure, assay protocol, buffers, etc. We need to ensure not only specificity and sensitivity, we also want to design a robust assay that's easily transferred to production.
Okay, thank you, Hanna.
Thank you.
Next time, we will continue with the next 2 steps in the life cycle management, the production and quality control.